Yo, we're gonna show you what we eat in Mexico all day, every single day.
Good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing well. I just thought I'd let you know that we're going out to run a few errands, and I'm the biggest chunky monkey of the crew. So I'm gonna eat a little ladyfinger banana before we go, because I know that I can't function if I don't.
We didn't get far with our errands. We're both starving, so we're gonna make a smoothie. Yeah, smoothie time.
Tell them how you know you're starving there, buddy. You can be real unpleasant when you're hungry.
I'm unpleasant, I don't even want to film.
So what you just witnessed there was Eamon in real life. I'm gonna edit this one and I'm gonna put that in. It's about time people know that you can be the grumpiest bear of all time.
No.
That's what happens when we try to do anything without eating first. We need to eat first.
Alright friends, today on the cooking show, we're gonna start with our classic smoothie. We've got coconut milk to start. It's gonna be a coconut, banana, peanut butter, delicious smoothie. Glad everyone's in a good mood. Next, we're using protein. This is a oat mix. So it's oat with like hemp hearts, flaxseed, chia seed. What's that new stuff that we've been into?
Amagla?
Alma powder.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got everything in there.
So let's try.
And I like to mix it up because who's got time to open little bags and put it all in there, right? Okay, this is key. This is what we've been starting to do is freeze the bananas. And we get the bananas really cheap from the fruiteria because they're like all kind of going bad. And if you freeze them, that means you don't need to freeze ice, and we have very limited freezer space. Okay, nut butter. So you don't want to cheap out on this. Cinnamon. We only use Chaiwala branded cinnamon. No, I'm just kidding. You can use any cinnamon. Make sure it's from Sri Lanka. Ceylon cinnamon is what you want. Way more health benefits. Just throw that right in there, bud. Oh no.
I was just saying that.
And we are in Toronto. Hello, Eamon speaking.
I was just saying I find these smoothies so filling. This is my first go. I'm about halfway through and I am full. Mostly I think it's because we have to chew a bit of these smoothies. Like,
no, you don't.
Yeah, you do. The oats, when you make it, you put so much oats and stuff, it's like chewy. Anyways, I think there's something that has to do with chewing that makes you feel more full. But my buddy was freaking literally one sip, smashed an entire thing, and now he'll do an entire other cup. Thanks for the music in the background, Mexico.
Smoothie, will you take this slow dance?
Don't break the house while you're at it, buddy.
We're chilling at the Holiday Inn. We thought we had to re-upload a vlog because we got an email notification saying it was demonetized. So we rushed back here. We had to buy a shameless Starbucks chai. It's not very good. You want to try some iced chai?
Iced chai. I'd like to just get my sentence going first. I'm sure the Minimum Millennials explained in their vlog from yesterday, but Christian has a bit of a skin condition when it comes to sunburns and the way his skin heals from them. So they've checked into a hotel, and Christian is going to take today off from the sun and just rest and stuff as well. So Eamon and I have booked ourselves in for a little tour, which is really exciting. We're going to, I think they said about 5 little beaches you can only get to by boat. We'll show you a little bit of it, and we'll show you what we get up to in terms of food when they drop us off at a remote island. That should be very interesting. So I think we should pack at least an apple.
I think we should just bring this bag.
Okay, great. Yeah, we don't need a lot of stuff. I just think, oh, where did you find these? Clip bars.
Yeah, come on.
Should we put those in?
Yeah, definitely. We're eating an apple.
Tequila, señores. Les invito a chequen pertenencias. Primero checar si estamos todos a bordo. Yo veo varios lugares vacíos todavía. Acá en ese lado. Espero que estén allá en la regadera. ¿Alguien más que se hace una ducha? ¿Qué sabe de mecánica?
Somehow we've signed up for this challenge where we don't really know what it is yet, but it involves drinking a pina colada. So we're also drinking a pina colada. I'll try and show what we're doing.
Or you can tell a joke, which I might try in English when everybody here speaks Spanish.
Grande disadvantage.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's delicious. We're doing a different game now. This one is involved with balloons, so I still don't really know what's happening. Canadians for the win!
Okay, this is our second stop, second beach.
I tried to ask him if you know what vegano meant.
Yeah.
He was a little confused, he got someone else.
Yeah.
And I said, sin jueves, sin carne, sin leche, sin queso, más verduras. He goes, okay. And
With
then
rice or what?
he said, arroz,
Oh.
ensalada. I said, bueno, bueno, bueno.
Yeah.
Our friends kind of helped say something.
Oh,
and
nice.
then he walked away.
Okay,
He came
great.
back and asked if we want cerveza, and I said, well, why not, baby?
One in a row.
Date night.
It's true, we are on a date day.
So tell them about these like tostada things. we're
Okay,
doing.
so it's so spicy for me.
Holy smokes, that's hot.
Oh, okay, I'm glad you agree.
No, it is hot.
So the table comes with this basket, shall we call it?
Yeah.
Gracias. Oh wow, it's ready already.
Oh, wow. Bueno, bueno.
Muy bien. This is salad with rice and an orange and some beets.
This is fire.
And this sauce is so
Hot sauce
spicy.
I've ever had.
It's so spicy. My
So
lip
hot.
is on fire.
Corona's on the beach. It's the best way to do it with the lime. Get your thumb nice and tight on there. Give it a tilt. Let the lime travel through the whole bottle. This is the tricky part though. Pop back up, remove the thumb and drink. And that way, you've got lime throughout the entire beer. Not that I'm a big beer drinker, or drink at all, but if you're gonna have Corona by the beach, you gotta lime that. Lunch is still happening. I'm starving still. Arroz, a ensalade. It's just not filling. Ensalade? It's just not filling me up.
I'm also dreaming of dinner tonight. We're gonna whip up a nasty.
What are you thinking?
Potato hash is part of it.
Yeah, I agree.
That's all I know.
Okay. What about like a potato, like rosemary, oregano, like boom, 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 like a fried potato kind of situation? That could be bueno. Anyway, we're still on lunch, so we're gonna figure that out.
Yeah.
This is my technique: is these free little corn
Hopefully they're
chips
free.
or whatever
They don't come
The
around
sauce is pretty hot, so we're gonna load that on and just paint it. You want every single bite to have a little bit of flavor on there. You can take your lime, just let the sauce really just work its way in there into those pores, okay? And then paint it again. Now that we got a little bit more liquid on there, we're gonna start sweating. Now this is
No, you're not doing another layer.
this is just a little dabber, just hello,
Woo.
paint it. Get the paint going. Okay. Now my technique is to break. That'll do.
Eamon didn't wait longer than 2 minutes to order himself a whole new plate of food. You don't even feel guilty about it, do you?
No, I don't think he's charging me double. We absolutely got ripped. They charged me 150 per plate. 3 plates, considering. And on the menu, you can get arroz, rice, salad, and a fish for 150. These are the best flavor. I learned because I got mango last time, but limon is where it's at. So that's what we're doing. 10 pesos, which is what, babe? 50 cents?
Yeah.
That's muy bien.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias, amigo. We just got back to the van. We're having a Team LaCroix.
Everyone feels like that. Do you think I like
And the squad has doubled.
Just like you are on. Yeah.
Hey homies, say what up. Yeah, Vanna Cruz, they're actually super cool Canadian Aussie couple, and they're traveling down towards Panama, possibly South America. And super cool that we just met up with them because we're using the same app, iOverlander, and they're parked in the same lot as us. So we're having a LaCroix, getting to know them a little bit.
So Eamon and I just had the most odd experience at a spa day that we half won on that trip we were on today. Anyways, we were going back to the van, back to our parking spot, and we thought about making like a potato hash for dinner. Then we're like, it's not enough. And then we have refried beans. Anyways, so we were looking for tortillas. So I came into this convenience store, and I just wanted to show you guys. We literally just find like little coolers on the ground. You open it up. Tortillas. So now we're gonna make epic tacos with our corn tortillas. Also some potatoes, because we've got some potatoes to fry up. And what else are we gonna add in?
When in doubt, taco, kids. That's the moral of the story here.
And it's always been that way for you and me, but being in Mexico has just like amplified it, hasn't it?
We're just gonna chuck whatever we can.
Yeah.
They're gonna turn out insane as usual.
Tacos are kind of like a kitchen sink meal.
Yeah, any vegetable you got in the fridge.
Any veggie, beans, whatever, just chuck her.
So my thought was, because it's like 9:30 at night, I don't want to pan fry these and take forever, so I'm gonna boil them up first, make them soft, and then just crisp them. The best way to cut a pepper?
Sure. Eamon's gonna show you guys the best way to cut a pepper.
There's two different types. There's a male and a female. I'm not sure which one's which, but you always want the one with 3 corners. See how this one has 3? 1, 2, 3?
Yeah.
They have less seeds, much easier to work with.
Whoa, mind blowing.
Start your pepper chop just right on the edge. Okay, you don't want to go too far in, too far out. You just want to basically cut this thing off, okay? And then this, you're going to save that and that's going to pop right out.
Whoa.
So easy.
I literally didn't even
Okay, hold on.
Hold on.
Next chop is another thin one. Just like that. Okay? Perfect. Now that's going to stand.
It's not focused at all. There.
Now it's going to stand up nice. You're going to make your one chop along that edge. Boom. And now it's going to open it up. Now you can just roll it open. Another chop. Boom. Another chop. You can keep rolling it. Boom. Boom. Okay, now we don't got seeds everywhere. You take that little guy in the garbage. And then you're ready to rock.
I was going to say, why haven't you ever taught me that? But I'm sure you have, and I just forgot it. I'm sipping on a La Croix. Once Eamon finds out I'm sipping on it, he's probably gonna want to share. I'm just quickly gonna say, this might sound like the craziest question ever, but I just chopped a green onion and this was at the bottom. So we're thinking that's just a regular onion. And I think we're gonna save it and cut it up for the next stir fry. It's pretty cool. God.
I'll say it again.
How spoiled are you that your man got?
That's right.
Finally get Max in here.
We found Aubrey. Christian is not joining us for dinner. He's still dealing with his sunburn. Is he literally lying in the bathtub? She brought us a couple goodies which are gonna make our tacos that much better.
I found tortillas,
Limon.
by the way. We're making tacos.
Yeah, we found fresh tortillas.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Avocat, and looks like Christian got into this, but this was a can of refried beans. So what I'm thinking is I'm just gonna actually dump that in there and mix it around. And then we're basically ready to go. Yeah. On the burner, just like, you can even leave it for a bit, which I was shocked at.
Yeah.
Not too long, but I can leave that for like 12 seconds. And boom, still not burnt. And it just makes it so much more crispy.
Are you guys gonna be eating with us too, or how did your burgers turn out, by the way?
We forgot to soak the lentils, so yeah, we'll have a little.
Babe, you're eating tacos wrong again.
Who called us on that? Was it
Serge? Yeah.
I feel like we're making tacos.
Our local friend told us that you have to show them, baby.
You have to head tilt. You have to go in like this.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Right, and Eamon goes like this, and
I got my own technique. I'm stick to it. Doesn't it look zoomed in?
yeah.
Why?
Cause it was.
Because it is. So things kind of got a little crazy up in here. Started sweating, started hanging out with some new friends. That happens.
But dinner was so good, babe.
Yeah, it was decent. It was very decent. It was a little surprising.
Good today overall, but the lunch was very average. Very, very average.
Most
And I'm
average.
sorry we showed you that, but it's also cool that you guys got to see kind of the struggle of veganism in Mexico sometimes, but not all the time.
Not all the time. Even like another time I went to a restaurant and it was like the best meal. They brought out like beans and more salad and vegetable soup and stuff. So that was just like really, really limited.
We hope you guys enjoyed this What We Eat in a Day in Mexico. We feel like our repertoire is getting a little stale. So
She's dwindling.
If you guys have
No,
any...
she's not dwindling, but if you have any recos,
yeah.
let us know.
Like we need a new chickpea salad sandwich
Someone
recipe.
messaged me and said, dude, love chickpea salad sandwiches. Try putting apple in it. Remember? I told you I was going to do that tomorrow.
Oh, I thought you came up with that on your own. known.
one of you guys told me.
Yeah,
I thought that was a great call, by the way.
Okay, but or if it's like something completely different, let us know because I want another staple that I can just turn to that's quick, easy, nutritious. Anyways, you know what I mean. Okay, smash the thumbs up, subscribe. Until next time, bye.
Okay, was that a good sign off, buddy?
I think it was good enough.
We need a funny end screen. What are you gonna do?
Well, I don't really know because I'm so itchy. I'm itchy here from mosquito bites and I'm itchy here from unwashed hair.
I'm itchy here because I'm burnt.
Itchy, 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 itchy.